Looks like HoverAir is about to release a new selfie drone, possibly the X2. Here's your first look at it thanks to the images leaked by Quadro News on X. It looks like it won't feature a foldable design, unlike the previous models from HoverAir like last year's X1 Pro. So it's more similar to the DJI Neo, but this one might have something very unique that can't be found on any other drone at the moment. The new HoverAir will be splash-proof or even waterproof, as it can be clearly seen in this image. The only other consumer waterproof drones I can remember are the Swell Pros. They used to make fully water-resistant quadcopters, but they didn't become very popular. The fact it's waterproof also explains the color and the shape of the drone, designed to be completely sealed and floating. Another interesting bit is the screen at the top, which seems to be a color display, unlike the small OLED pixel screen of the Hover X1 Pro or the backlit icons of the DJI Neo and Flip. Speaking of controls, the new HoverAir will come with a new beacon controller, similar to the rumored RC Track. We can see it has a return to home button and multiple buttons that are still hidden, but they will most likely start quick shots or control the height or distance during tracking features like on DJI's controller. Lastly, the camera will only be stabilized on one axis, but that's probably due to the waterproof design. As for the price and the release date, we still don't know anything about them, but I'll keep you updated through the channel's posts and videos, so subscribe and drop a like if this video was helpful.